Purport. To claim or say that something is true. The document purports to be official. He purports to know the answer, but he may be wrong. Pungency. A very strong smell or taste. The pungency of the onion made her eyes water. We noticed the strong pungency of the spices. Harness. To use and control something in a useful way. We can harness solar energy to make electricity. He learned to harness his skills to do better work. Summons. An official order telling someone to come to a place. He received a summons to appear in court. The summons arrived by mail. Putrefy. To rot or go bad over time. The fruit began to putrefy after a few days. Dead leaves putrefy on the ground over time. Punitive. Meant to punish someone for doing something wrong. The school took punitive action against the students. Punitive measures were introduced to stop bad behavior. Clause. A part of a written agreement or contract. Read the clause carefully before signing. The contract had a special clause in it. Plaint. An official complaint, usually made in court. The lawyer filed a plaint in court. The court accepted the plaint. Parole. Permission for a prisoner to leave prison early. He was released on parole. The prisoner applied for parole. Pious. Deeply religious or showing strong faith. He lived a pious life. She was known as a pious woman. Ramification. A result or effect of something that happens. The decision had serious ramifications. They talked about the possible ramifications of the plan. Rapacious. Always wanting more money or possessions. The rapacious businessman wanted more profit. His rapacious behavior upset people. Ratify. To officially approve or accept something. The agreement was ratified by both sides. Members voted to ratify the plan. Rebut. To show that something someone said is not true. She rebutted the accusation with facts. The lawyer tried to rebut the claim in court. Guile. The skill of tricking or fooling people. He used guile to get what he wanted. The fox was known for its guile and clever tricks. Recalcitrant. Refusing to follow rules or do what you are told. The recalcitrant student ignored the teacher. He remained recalcitrant even after several warnings. Recant. To say that something you said before is not true anymore. He recanted his statement later. She later recanted her claim. Reciprocal. Given or shared equally by both sides. They showed reciprocal respect for each other. The countries signed a reciprocal agreement. Grim. Very sad, serious, or bad. The news was grim and made everyone sad. He had a grim look on his face. Grotesque. Very strange, ugly, or scary. The mask looked grotesque and frightening. The movie showed a grotesque creature. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.